As a teacher using or employing online teaching, in order for you to effectively teach your student, we have to evaluate our teaching strategy yearly. No, just like what the saying says, we learn through our past mistakes. So we have to improve our performance, and to do that, we need to be aware of what specific parts of our teaching strategy is weak and on what particular part needs an improvement. We have to be open about that. We have to make sure that the end goal of this is to make your teaching strategy more effective than your past performance. So, for me as a teacher, I would be happy and open to have a semestral evaluation where you can ask your students, be it through an open forum or simple evaluation where they can have checklist where they can just check using the Likert scale. No? So it's up to the teacher whether it should be through verbal, open forum, or through writing, which is more confidential, so that the students will be free to evaluate teachers' performance. That's the most important thing. And by doing this, it will allow the teacher to assess whether his or her performance is good enough, or does it help achieve expected learning outcomes. Because if not, then I think there is a problem with the teaching strategy, which is why we need to evaluate our strategy. Say for instance, you've used this strategy for a year or 2 years, then you're going to reevaluate yourself whether this strategy is efficient or helpful enough for your student. Does my students able to achieve the expected learning outcomes the past 2 years I've been teaching or not? Okay, so by doing so, we will be able to make sure we will be able to assess whether we've achieved necessary skills your students need to learn in school, not just a physical school, also online. So, and another thing also, aside from semestral evaluation, you can also ask help from your colleagues, wherein your colleagues can freely join your online class and have him or her separate evaluation form not open to your students, where your colleagues can freely evaluate your performance, enumerating the pros and the cons of your strategies being employed on that particular strategy for the whole semester, or let's say for the whole year, and make that submission or evaluation coming from your colleague as the basis of your self-evaluation. Am I doing good? Or maybe not that good. So for you to find out, you have to ask either your students or colleagues. That's all. Thank you.